4th standard students. How are you? Fine. Last period I gave you the homework. Very few students send me the homework. Please be serious for study and do your homeworks. Okay? You need practice for this subject. So practice it, do your homework and send me for checking. Okay? Last lecture I had started the lesson that is number 2, number 1, and I had completed revision. Okay, what I completed last lecture? Revision. Now, last year you have 3-digit numbers. How many? 3-digit numbers you have learned last year. That is, for example, number is 399, 1, 2, and 3-digit numbers. There is unit place, 10 place, and 100 place. Clear these numbers? If you don't know, don't understand, call me. I will explain you again. Okay? Now, this here I am going to introduce the numbers, 4-digit numbers. Okay, look at this chart. Look here, some symbols are given here. Okay, what is this? Symbols. Symbol and numbers and how to read these numbers. First symbol is that, look this symbol. You see this symbol is right here, TH. Look this symbol. That is TH. TH means 1000. TH means 1000. Okay. Here also symbols. Okay, I am going to write here symbols. What is the meaning of that symbols? Look here. First symbol is this one. And right here TH. TH means 1000. Okay. Next symbol is triangle. Here in triangle, look here, triangle T is written here. What is T? Can you see T? T means tens. Look here this symbol. Okay, this symbol shows that H. What is H? H means 100. And this symbol. This symbol is unit. Okay, look here. Here is TH. How many symbols are there? One symbol. One means 1000. 1000. 1000 पे कितने जीरो थे? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4-digit number. This is unit place, 10 place, 100 place, and 1000 place. Okay. This 1000 place is new this year. Okay. 1000. How to read this number? 1000. THOUSAND 1000. One picture is given here. It is 1000. Understand? Second picture shows that TH given 1, 2, 3, 4. How many thousands are here? 4000. 4000. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4-digit number. 4000. How to write this? 4000 in words. How to read this number? 4000. Look at the third picture. Here देखो, यहाँ पे कितने सिंबल्स दिख रहे हैं? 2. That is 2000. 100 प्लस है इधर? नहीं, आपको पता है ना? इधर क्या होता है? यूनिट प्लेस. I am going to write here unit, 10, 100 and 10,000. Look here. Here is 1000 place. There is no 100 place. H नहीं है यहाँ पे. 10 and unit place. Okay. So 2000. That is 2000 and 10 and 2. 110 and 2. 110 and 2 means 12. That is 2012. How to read this number? 2000. 2 लिखा है. 100 प्लेस में कुछ भी नहीं. That is 0. 100, 110 and in 2 units. 1 and 2. 2 units. समझ में आ रहा है? Understand? Look here. 1000 प्लेस के बाद क्या रहता है? 100 प्लेस. But here, look here. There is no, this symbol is not here. That means here 1000 के बाद 100 प्लस नहीं है. मतलब 2000 and 110 and 2 units. 110 and 2 units. 100 प्लेस पे क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग? 0. because there is no number on the 100 place. Understand? Next number is here देखो 2000. 1000 2 है. 100 प्लेस पे भी 2 है. H means 100. 100 प्लेस पे 200 is 1 and 2. 2 symbols are here. But there is no number on the 10 place. 10 place है. Triangle वाला place है यहाँ पे. No. That means there is no tens. Directly 1, 2 and 3 units. That is 2000, 1 and 2, 2000, 200 and 3. I write here 0 on the 10 place because there is no number on the 10 place. So how to read this number? 2203. How you can read this number? 2203. Understand? Look here. Next number is, fifth number is 10,000. There is 100 place पे कुछ भी नहीं यहाँ पे और unit place पे कुछ नहीं. That means we write there 0. 1,000. 100 place पे कुछ है? No. That is I write here 0. Then 110. Okay. और unit place पे भी कुछ नहीं. That means 0. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Okay. Numbers कैसे लेते हैं? Unit place, 10 place, 100 place and 1000 place. Okay, TH मतलब 1000. तो look here, ये symbols क्या दिख रहा है आपको? यहाँ पे 1000 place पे 1 है, but 100 place पे कुछ नहीं है. ये वाला symbol है क्या यहाँ पे? 10 के बाद 100 रहता है, फिर 10, फिर unit. Okay, but यहाँ पे 100 place पे कुछ भी नहीं है. That's why I write here 0. Then 10 place पे 1, 110 है, 1 figure है यहाँ पे, 1 symbol that is 1. And unit place पे ऐसा वाला symbol है यहाँ पे नहीं. So that means there is no units. So I write here 0. So how do you read this number? 1,000. 1 is 1,000. 1,000 and directly 10. 1. That is 10. Okay. First of all, you write the number in figure like this. Then you can read it easily. Okay. Then ये number देखो 6th one. 1000 दिया है. 1 picture दिया है यहाँ पे. 1 picture means 1000. Okay. तो 1000 तो है. But there is no symbols on 100 place और 10 place. यहाँ पे 100 place पे भी कुछ नहीं है और 10 place पे भी कुछ नहीं है. है ना? No number is there. And last unit place पे 1 है. That means 1000 and 1 unit. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? 1000 and 1 unit. So 1000 and 1 unit. Understand? Next number is, look here, this number is given, full number is here. देखो 2 symbols दिख रहे हैं 1000 के. That means 2000. 2 दिखा है यहाँ पे. 100 H दिख रहा है. How many hundreds are there? 1, 2 and 3. So 300. 110 दिख रहा है. Okay. Units कितने हैं? Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Units है 4. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Look here, last number is given in full. That is 100. Sorry, 1000, 100, 10 and unit. Understand? Unit, 10, 100 and 1000. So 2 symbols are there. So 2000. 100 के कितने symbols हैं? 3. So 300, 3H, 1 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. That is 2214. Clear? समझ में आपको? समझ रहा है? Once again, I will repeat it. Look here. Once again. The symbols are given here. This symbol shows that 1000. This symbol is tens. This symbol is 100. This one is unit. Okay. So we write this number that unit, tens, 100 and 1000 like this sequence wise. Oh. So look here. Here is one symbol is. You can see here one symbol. 1000 का 1 symbol दिख रहा है. That means 1000. 1 के ऊपर 3 0 रहेंगे. हाँ 1000 का मतलब ये 4 1 2 3 4 डिजिट नंबर है 1000. Understand? So 1000 you can write here 1000. I have this spelling write here 4,000. Third one, these two are 1,000 places. This one is 10 place and unit place. So 2,000, 100 place पे कुछ नहीं, that is 0, 1 10 and 2 units. That is 2,012. This one is, two pictures are shown here. So 2,200, 10 place पे कुछ नहीं यहाँ पे. That's why I write here 0 and then 3 units. So 2,203. Look here, here is one is 1,000 place and 1 10. That means 100 place पे कुछ नहीं है और unit place पे कुछ नहीं. 100 place और unit place पे कुछ है नहीं. So I write here 0 and 0. That means 1,000, 0 100, 1 tens and 0 units. Okay. Look here, 6 number is, one symbol is given, 1,000 का symbol दिखाई दे रहा है and units का. Which one that is 100 and 10 का place के 100 और 10 मिडल में पे इसका तो कुछ नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. That means there is no number. So 1,000, 0 100, 0 tens and 1 unit. That means 1,001. And last two symbols are same for the 1,000. 1 2 3 300, 1 10. 10 का 1 सिंबल दिख रहा है. Units कितने हैं? 1 2 3 4. तो 4 units. That means 2,314. Okay? Understand this much? Now, look here. Look at your books. I am showing you this book. Look at the book. Look here. Look at these symbols and write numbers and read it. Look here. Unit 10, 100 and 1,000. Can you see? Unit 10, 100 and 1,000. देखो unit place पे how many dots are there? 2 dots. Here 10 place पे 1 dot है, 100 place पे 1 dot है, 1,000 place पे 2 dots है. That means 2 dots means 2,000. That is 2,000. Wait. Look here. Sorry for the mistake. Look. 2,000 है. That means 2,000, 100, 110 and 2 units. That means 2,112. You can read these numbers like this. 2,112. Number 2, look here. Number 2 क्या दिख रहा है आपको? यूनिट प्लेस पे 1 2 3 4 डॉट्स है. 10 प्लेस पे 1 2 3 डॉट्स है. 100 प्लेस पे नो डॉट्स एंड 1,000 प्लेस पे 2 डॉट्स है. सो 1,000 प्लेस पे 2,000. 100 प्लेस पे नंबर नहीं है. दैट मीन्स 0 100 एंड 110 and 4 units. You read like number like this. 2,000, 2,000 and 14. Okay, 1 4 14. So 2,014. Next number, look here. Next number shows that unit place there is no number. 10 place no number. 100 place 3 dots and 1,000 place 1 2 3 4 5. That means 5,300, 0 tens and 0 units. That means 5,300. Okay, this number shows that there is no dots on unit place, no dots on 10 place, no dots on 100 place and no dots on and 1 2 3 4 5 dots on 1,000 place. So 1,000 place with 5 dots. There is no dots on 100 place, no dots on 10 place, no dots on unit place. So which number is make? 5,000. 1 2 3 4 5,000. Okay, this number look here. There is no number, no dots on unit place, 2 dots on 10 place, 3 dots on 100 place, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots on 1000 place. So 5000, 1000 place पे कितने dots है? 5, 100 place पे 3, 10 place पे 2 and unit place पे 0. That means 5320. Here 1, 2, 3 dots on unit place, no dots on 10 place, no dots on 100 place, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots on 1000 place. So 5 dots on 1000 place, no dots on 100, that is 0, no dots on 10 place, that is 0, and 3 dots on unit place. You read this number like this: 5003. Okay, clear? I am going to stop here. You have to, your homework is ये this one is your homework. ये आपको नोटबुक में लिखने का है, और this also, and this one is also your homework. Okay, write this in your notebook and this one also in your notebook and send me on my number. Understand? Clear? Okay, I am going to stop here. Tomorrow I will complete the remaining lesson.